Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excel Lessons, your simplest way to reach excellence in Microsoft Excel. My name is Pradeep. I have over 15 years of experience in teaching Microsoft Excel. So let's see what we are learning today. So let's get started.
Hello friends, welcome back to Excel Lessons. In this video, I will show you how to count a range or how to count the number of rows based on a criteria. In this, we will use two functions, one as COUNTIF and another one is COUNTIFs. I have given two tables to illustrate COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. In the first table, the problem statement is we have a cities here and we want to count the number of people belongs to this particular cities, and we have the raw data in the sample employee database. Okay, in the second example we will see how COUNTIFs work, and we have two criteria here. First one is any employee whose salary is greater than 75,000, and the second criteria whose joining date is greater than or equal to 1st January 2015. Right, first we'll see how COUNTIF works. Write a formula. See, I have given the syntax here for your reference. The first one is equal to COUNTIF, open the bracket, and please watch out for this syntax. First one is the range and second one is the criteria. Range means where are we searching? Okay, where are we searching the city New York in the raw data column? Okay, where are we searching? We have to search New York City in the city column itself, right? So go here. Let's select the entire city column here, column F, and I use F4 to freeze it. Okay, and as per syntax, give a comma, and now criteria. Criteria is what are we searching? Within the city column, what are we searching? So we are searching for a New York City here. Okay, I just give city here, B6. And one more observation here, if you are giving a reference in the same sheet, you need not give the sheet name here. So instead of practice B6, you can just give B6. Okay, that's absolutely fine. And give it dollar before B and close the bracket. Okay, so we have 14 members in New York City. Just drag the formula down. This is the count of employees in the respective cities. Let's quickly find out in the New York. So go apply filter, search for New York. Okay, so in the New York City we have 14 people here, right? Okay, now we'll move on to the next example, that's COUNTIFs. What is the basic difference between COUNTIF and COUNTIFs is COUNTIF can take only one criteria at a time and one range, and COUNTIFs you can give as many, you can supply as many criteria and as many ranges. Okay, so for our example we'll see two criteria. Okay, what's the first criteria? Now we'll type this is equal to COUNTIFs, open the bracket, watch out for the syntax here, criteria range 1. What did I tell you? Range means where are we searching? So first we will look into the salary. So where are we searching is salary column. Click on this. Let me go to the salary, select the entire salary column, select the entire salary column, press F4 to freeze it as per syntax, comma, and the next one is criteria 1. So range is where are we searching, criteria means what are we searching. So within the salary column, what are we searching? We are searching for the records greater than 75,000. In double quotes, give a greater than symbol, type 75,000. Okay, double quotes. And now again, now we need to move on to the next range. Okay, so use a comma, and next range is what? Anyone's date of joining, whose date of joining is greater than 1st January 2015. So now second range, where are we searching? It is joining date column. Okay, select the joining date column, press F4 to freeze it as per syntax, comma, and within this what are we searching? We are searching for the records greater than 1st January 2015, greater than equal to actually. Okay, double quotes, so give it greater than equal to 1/1/2015, double quotes, close the bracket and hit enter. See, we have 142 employees whose salary is greater than 75,000 and whose date of joining is greater than or equal to 1st January 2015. Now let us validate this number. Let me apply a filter here. I'll go to salary. In number filters, I'll give greater than, and I'll give 75,000. See, there are 321 records whose salary is greater than 75,000, out of which if we check their date of joining, which is greater than or equal to January 2015. Okay, so hit enter. Now you see there are 142 records whose salary is greater than 75,000 and whose date of joining is 1st January 2015 or greater than that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. For many such informational and interesting videos, please do subscribe my channel and support. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.